With SupGlow lights, you no longer have to stop paddling when the sun goes down. In fact, the adventure is just beginning. So let's get started and set up your board for this incredible experience. Let's take a quick look at what you get in the SupGlow 2-pack. First thing you'll see are 3 adhesive discs we call landing pads. We'll talk about those in just a bit. You have 2 SupGlow lights with suction cup mounts. Make sure you install 3 fresh AAA batteries in each light as described in the user manual. You will also have a 3rd suction cup mount and 2 nylon lines that can be used as an optional tether system, as you'll see. The first thing you'll need to do is determine where to install your SupGlow lights. While standing on the board, you want the lights in front of you, so think of the top third of the board as the ideal location. Underneath the board, you'll want to have the lights as close to the edge of the board as you can. Now you're ready to attach SupGlow lights to your board. For most boards, this will be a matter of just finding a good surface on your board and locking the suction cup mount down. You may have to try a few spots until you find the right location that gives a good, strong connection. You'll know you have a good connection when the locking clasp feels tight when locked, and you could lift up your board holding the light itself. What about a board that may not have an ideal surface? Some boards have a textured surface that doesn't allow a strong connection. No problem. That's when you'll use the included landing pads. Landing pads are 3M adhesive discs that create a perfect mounting surface. Simply clean the board with a clean dry cloth and then apply the landing pad, pressing firmly. You can see landing pads are very low profile and won't introduce drag while you paddle. You may want to let the landing pad sit for a while before heading into the water. This will ensure good contact. Now you can attach each SupGlow light with confidence. Once installed, tilt the lights so they face outward for the best effect. So what about that tether system? Even though a correctly installed SupGlow light will stay on your board through most conditions, and even if they lose connection, they will float, you still may want the peace of mind of keeping the lights close to your board. All you need to do is thread one end of the line through the small hole in the light. Then attach the 3rd suction cup to the top of the board right in front of the deck pad. Then loop the other end of the tether around the mount. Do this for all the SupGlow lights on your board. And that's it. Now, on the very slim chance that the lights come unattached, they will float next to your board. Keep in mind that all SupGlow suction cup mounts are GoPro compatible, so you can attach a GoPro camera and capture the whole experience in high definition. Now is the moment you've been waiting for. Turn on each light and head out into the night for your unforgettable experience. And don't forget to share your pictures and videos with the Surfstow community. We can't wait to see your adventures.